To PURRAI, our company that works on age-related neurological disorders. So here at ARDD, we know that we have a clear question, how to get to an old age and be living healthy. So although some of us will be manageable and be to a longer longevity, we know that the number of associated pathologies, namely neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson, are increasing and are the key major factors for the increasing gap between life and health expectancy. The discovery, the process for neurotherapeutics is highly complex, and one of the biggest problems is the blood-brain barrier, which blocks at least or more than 98% of all drugs to reach the brain. This makes the traditional approach very complex and, of course, very inefficient until now. So at PURRAI, we developed the B3 pass model, which uses the latest algorithms in generative AI to create and design new peptides that can reach the brain. So the B3 pass is user-friendly, can be interconnected with other models, and accelerates the neurotherapeutics. But this is just one piece of a much broader platform. We are developing Ageless that has a focus on pivotal targets in the brain, GPCRs or G-protein-coupled receptors, that are known to be involved in neurological disorders and aging. Ageless combines a symphony of data from transcriptomics to structure to construct proprietary databases that are not only collections of information, but are finely tuned instruments in an orchestra conducted by AI. At the core of our success is our team. I have experience in AI and computational biochemistry. Nisa is an expert in chemistry and toxicology. And Jose, business acumen from leading million-dollar enterprises, makes us the right team to drive innovation forward. It's our interdisciplinary approach, our international profile and dedication that allows to construct new technology that not only meets market needs, but anticipates them. We have already a proven record in aggregating biological data in a smart way, in constructing new algorithms with a superior performance against a huge number of competitors, and identifying new players or elucidating their biological mechanism. So it makes us a cut above the rest. One, precision focus. We're a focused company working on mapping a key set of receptors for which we have higher expertise. Two, curated intelligence. That focus allows to construct curated proprietary databases that are the masterminds of the platform. Third, algorithm excellence. Our algorithms show performance while maintaining interpretability. And fourth, they are tailor-made solutions. So we can tailor to our clients' private information and needs. And its model nature allows to be used as segmentation of tools or end-to-end pipeline. So PURRAI works as a B2B, forging partnerships with biotech, pharma, and CROs. The reason why I rely on partnerships is that our fee model is based on results, and successful results are paid for. We also envision the future release of the previous version of our models as software as a service. So I hope to have captured your attention and imagination for this fusion of AI and science driven by a dedicated team. At PURRAI, we're not just constructing new technology. We are crafting a future where aging does not mean living in disease. So join us in this rapid intelligent drug development journey towards an ageless future.
Thank you very much. I believe there's a question from Niels.
Thank you. Thank you very much on also presenting your perspectives on the business plan, but can you maybe elaborate a little bit on what kind of molecules would you target to your peptides that's for crossing, and do you imagine that the pharma companies will come directly with that target, and how do they then match that chemistry with your peptides?
Okay, so the main idea, although this is being done by models, is to create these tools that are able to design new peptides that cross into the BBB, but our major targets are the GPCRs, and in particular GPCR dimers. And so we use that information not only from the characteristics that these peptides should have to cross, but also the information from the target that we are aiming for.
And so, so you would have pharma companies that have a potential target receptor that they would like you to find a drug for. Is that the model?
Not exactly. It can be like that, or you have a specific disease in one of the neurological diseases, and we know which targets, or we are aiming for this family of targets, and we'll try to find something in that domain.
Another question?
A question and a suggestion. So work with me a little here. So that sounds like a permeability platform, which that sort of capacity is usually found in-house. So, companies like UNP, for example, Natural Products, to name one, have it as a part of their platform, not the whole platform. So help me understand the business model. Are you going to sell software to pharma, or there is a plan to actually have your own pipeline somewhere down the line? Because the hard lesson of AI for drug discovery companies is that you actually need to generate your own assets. Like, you cannot just sell software.
Yeah, no, our idea is to generate our own assets and forge partnerships with companies and work for their specific project. But we want to work on the side because we want to develop the whole platform and then get to the market in both ways.
Okay. Thank you very much for your presentation.